Hello everyone, welcome back. I am here yet again on another little adventure. I'm down in Amelia Island right now, down in Florida. Very sort of northern, eastern tip, edge, whatever you want to call it, of Florida. But I'm here at the Home2 Suites down here on Amelia Island. Here's my room right here, room 409 right there. We're going to show you around this hotel. Now this is the Queen Studio. Queen Studio. But there is a full-size fridge, which will kind of a half-size fridge, but a fuller size fridge, as you can see. See, it's nice. It is pretty cold in there. We also have a little freezer down here. That's pretty neat. All right, there is no like full kitchen, but there is like full kitchen utensils, which is kind of interesting. Like they have these here, but there's nowhere really to use them, I guess. There is a big microwave. This is pretty much the same microwave I have at my house as well. But we do have all this. There's a toaster, there's a colander, there's a little mini sink. They actually do have dish soap, which is cool. A lot of places don't have that. But it says here, every chef, culinary options. That's why we have portable cooktop. Oh, they do have portable cooktop and skillets. Okay, I'm gonna have to get one of those. That is very nice to know. I'm glad I read that. So, portable cooktops and skillets for you guys. We also have some glasses, some coffee mugs, little coffee maker, and then there is a full-size dishwasher, which is awesome. I think they just include one, if I remember correctly, maybe. Yeah, right there. So they have one. They give you one for that, and then we're gonna turn around here, and we're gonna come into the bathroom. Flick. Hello, there I am. All right, just got through with a 9-hour drive to here. So the bathroom, pretty nice actually. Walk-in shower. It's not that big of a walk-in shower, but it is a walk-in shower. And I do love my walk-in showers. As you can see there, boom. Got your standard Hilton amenities here. And this is kind of weird. It's like angled, kind of. Little different. Toilet, let's see, we have your towels there. There's your iron. Nothing in that one because that's a fake drawer, and then an empty drawer here. So they do have a bath fan that actually works. Most of these places don't have those. Here's your fold-out door, little pocket door that comes out there. There's a breaker box in here. That's new. All right, so we do have a couple different desks. We've got this desk here. Excuse me, with a little bit of storage space here. A little chair. I do have a couch, like a sofa bed. I hope that ain't what I think it is there. But yeah, you know what I think that is. They have the TV right here, so you can sit on the couch and sort of watch, TV from there. Then we have another little desk here, and under here, let's see what we got. We've got some linens. I guess normally there would be like a mini fridge there, but they have a big fridge. And then we've got your storage here. Now, the number one thing that I always look for in these places, I do not see yet. So I'm thinking they don't have one. And I don't know why they don't put them in here. Maybe there's one in one of these drawers. I think, comment down below if you think you know what I'm looking for. Because I always look for one in these hotels. And I do not see one in this one. So sadly, no, there is no safe. Why is there no safe? But this is the queen bed. They only have queen beds and like two queen beds. I couldn't get a king bed. But here's the view. There's not much of a view because, let me see, wrong ones. Here we go. There isn't too much of a view because of the woods are here. You've got sort of the wilderness, so you can't really see the beach, which the beach is only about a couple 100 feet that way, really, right there. But there is a little pond. If you notice right there, I'll zoom in. Crocodigators. So, hold on, there we go. Yeah, keep your distance. There might be crocodigators out there. So be careful if you bring your pets, because there might be some alligators. I don't think there is any right now because there are currently some little ducks kind of hanging out right there, right above the sign. They're badasses, they don't care. But here is the room. There it is. That little lamp here. Let's check and see. There's outlets on the lamp, outlets right down there. And this is like your closet with your ironing board. And then here we have USB and some more outlets, and then the same old phone. Remote. There's the remote right there. Netflix. So I hope it's a smart TV. I will just be watching YouTube pretty much. But yeah, it's a nice, it's a decent room. I will be here for quite a while. I'll be trying to do as many videos as I can while I'm here. But that's this video here. Just wanted to show you guys. This is the Home2 Suites, Amelia Island. I can't really tell you how much I paid for this room because I'm here on like a special rate because I'm working. So it's a different rate than what you guys will pay. I believe the rate was probably around $143 a night for right now. This is the month of June that I'm here. So about $143 a night. There is a bunch of other hotels all along here. There's a Residence Inn about right there. A little bit further, there is a Home2 Suites, and then there's a couple more daisy chained up the road. I stayed at this one because they had it was a Hilton, and I'm trying to make diamond, almost diamond, 8 more nights, because they had the fridge and of course the walk-in shower. That's all I got for you. So appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. All right, and comment down below your favorite hotel in your area. Maybe I'll make it there, because as you've been seeing the videos lately, I have been everywhere. I've been everywhere, and I've still got more places to be. So you never know where I'm gonna pop up next. But you know, till then, I'm gonna keep tripping hard and living easy.